the cat will be out of the bag soon.
But whiskey lovers come here with no ice.
Good morning everyone. Definitely I am, or we are, running late. Of course. Because why won't we? Idhar aake bhi we are late. Like we were supposed to leave at 8. But already it's 10. I don't know if we even get the permit. Because I heard that up till 10 they give the permit. So if we don't, maybe we'll do the sightseeing around here. Rest I'm not sure of that. Let's go and check. I even didn't eat anything. So I directly like woke up. And here I am. Running and rushing. We already came past the MG Mart, which is there behind. We are going to a private taxi stand as we have already booked our car. Ignore me panting, by the way. Like really I want to go to Canggu, but let's see. It's like 55 kilometers away, and we can see that like hill up there, like it's behind that. Say hi.
Bye. Bye.
Let's go and meet them. We just paused here for a bit to see the view. That's our car. It's amazing. Look what we spotted here, the Kanchenjunga. Definitely there's photo session going on. Out my cap. It's so cold inside the car only, so imagine how cold it will be once they go out. So they can like dance out here. Literally I'm that happy. Canggu Lake, but we are on our way much higher up, like 22 kilometers we have to go more upwards, and we are going towards the Baba Mandir. So like when I came 7 years back, it was closed, then I couldn't see it for some reason. I think it was a landslide or like snowfall. I don't remember really. This time I got the opportunity to see it. We are here in Baba Mandir. I had to dress up a lot more. It's so cold. We saw the Baba Mandir and now we are going to see the living room and the office. That's his living room. Here where he stayed. Here all his works. This is his office where he walked.
It is believed that the soul of the late sepoy Baba Harbhajan Singh still guards the Indo-China border till date.
It's like a downslide up here, and the Baba Mandir is up there.
Baba Mandir घूमने के बाद we were back on our way and now it was time to visit the Songmo Lake. The scenery outside was indeed very captivating with beautiful frozen lakes, snow-cladded mountains and also traveling through these gorgeous meandering roads. Oh, अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि चारों तरफ इतना स्नो क्यों है? Yes, it started snowing. Wondering when? Continue watching the video and you'll get to know the rest.
So that is the Changu Lake out there. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but we are experiencing the snowfall. It's so cold. The snowfall and the frozen lake. Came here for this thing only and we got that. Yay! हेलो, इसका क्या नाम है? It's so cute. He's so happy. We're here for having a cup of chai and momo. The mountains and the silence. It's like the best silence anyone can ever get. The silence is actually like, the silence is talking actually. The silence speaks. Really, like it's so peace. So we came back from the trek, like freshened up a little bit, and now here we are again in the MG Marg. This is the last night in like Gangtok, I mean in Sikkim. Yeah, definitely sad. Like you have to, like this place is so nice. Definitely you have to be sad. I was thinking of getting like a souvenir from here. I heard that there's a very cheap market. Like you have to go from there and it's down there from the MG Marg. It's called the Lal Market as per as what I heard. Let's check it out. That's all the stuff we got, literally. We'll show you later what we got. We wanted to come and dine at the Baker's Cafe, which is kind of like quite renowned as far as I heard, but unfortunately it's closed. So quick change of plans. Now we are going to, which is called Taste of Tibet. Unfortunately, like the Taste of Tibet was also closed, so we landed up to a pretty fancy, I guess like quite nice only, which is actually named Osam, I guess. So yeah, like that's the ambience. Let me just show you. So that was the last day of Sikkim, and definitely I'm so desiring क्योंकि जो चीज़ें देखे यार, that is like out of bound happiness. I have altitude sickness, I have lot of vomiting and definitely diarrhea and stuff तो happen. मेरा potty का चिंता होता रहता है. I have difficulty in breathing and a lot of other things. We are leaving like आज सुबह ही for Kalimpong. But देखते हैं उधर क्या होता है. थोड़ा तो excited हूँ मैं. Without wasting further more time, if you like this video, go on hit the like button. Share करो सभी को. Comment down below to let me know how did you like the video. Couldn't see the whole of Sikkim due to the time span. Comment करके बताओ यार कि next time if I come here, like what are the parts I should definitely see. Subscribe कर दो चैनल को क्योंकि नया चैनल है तो पूरा मुफ्त है. कि also what are you waiting for? Christmas. चलो bye. Take care and stay safe guys. Bye.